Okay guys, this will be a quick one today. I just installed brand new mirror on my bike with integrated blinker lights on it. I will turn it on so you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I bought them on Amazon. I will put the link in the description so you know exactly which one I choose. And the reviews on these mirror were pretty bad simply because people are dumb. Sorry, I should not say that, but people who are not mechanic should not do mechanic stuff. What I mean by that is because most of the reviews are complaining that there's only one wire getting out of the mirror. It's getting out in there, and this is the live, and the frame of the mirror is the ground. Anyway, it's working fine, but the thing is, people try to run the ground through the rod that holding to the aluminum, to the handlebar, to the bearing, and finally to the battery or the switch, and they complain that it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. There's too many flaws in that circuit. So what I did, I installed that after a fuse. Of course it's fused, but what I did, I put a round connector between the mirror and the support of the bike. So my ground, instead of going into the handlebar and all the way around the bike, it's directly contacting with my connector here. So this way I'm sure my ground will always be good. You need a good ground when you install these things, and it's not a flaws in the mirror if you install it the right way. Of course, if you are not a mechanic and you don't know how electricity work and how mechanic work, I don't recommend these mirrors because you will hate them. You will connect it, it won't work, you will blame the company, you will want a refund. So watch videos on how to connect things like that, so you will know how to do it, and you won't write reviews that would confuse people on the product, because it is a good product on Amazon. And most of the 1 star and the 2 stars rating are because of that missing wire for the ground. So it's not a problem if you know what to do. If you don't know what to do, don't complain about the product, complain about your skills. But anyway, I like these mirrors. As you can see, they are very, very visible. It's very visible with the one on the fork, the one on the fog light, which is not very clear. There's no way that a car can miss if I want to turn. So it's pretty much it about installing these mirrors. It comes with a couple of adapters because not every handlebar have the same thread, the same size of stud that getting out, or the same hole. Sometimes it's just a hole, and for this setup I need a rod, but everything's included in the kit, so it's really easy to install. You screw the rod in the mount of the mirror, you lock it with that black empty nut here, you place at the angle that you want, you lock the black nut, and it's installed. After that you just have to do the wiring. It's really simple. As I said, put a high connector at the base of the frame or the mount of the mirror, so you will have a good ground. If you're not sure if it's good enough, you can take a sandpaper, sand the bottom of the mirror to make sure if there's no dirt, there's no plastic, there's no nothing underneath. So when you put your ground, it will be metal on metal and you will have a good ground. But since it is exposed, I suggest that you put some dielectric grease between them so there's no corrosion. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.